People think making bars of soap is dangerous, like you need a lab and hazmat suits and goggles. But this is the Lava Love soap bar. It took me 5 minutes to make. It smells like a tropical vacation. And I did it all in my microwave, or a double boiler. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today I'm teaching you the easiest way to make high-end boutique soap at home, bubbles included. A melt and pour soap that looks like it came from a boutique shop, smells energizing, and still keeps your skin soft? Yes, please. Most soaps you buy at the store are full of detergents and synthetic fragrances, but this one, all natural, simple, and totally DIY. To make this, we don't need lye or scary chemicals. We are using the melt and pour method. Start by placing 5 cubes of soap base into a heat-resistant bowl or double boiler. I'm melting mine in the microwave because it's fast. Just do 10 to 15 second intervals and stir between each interval so you don't burn the soap. Burning the soap will make it rubbery and create a rough finish. If you prefer the stovetop, you can absolutely use a double boiler here. Just keep the heat low until it melts. Once it's melted, stir in a pinch of Fuchsia Mica Powder until it's an even, glowing pink. Since this is a natural mineral, it gives you shimmer without synthetic dyes. Now we add 8 drops of the Lava Essential Oil blend. This isn't just a random smell, it's a blend of grapefruit, blood orange, homewood, and sandalwood. The citrus wakes you up, but the sandalwood grounds you. It's basically confidence in a bottle. Pour it right into your mold. Now look closely. See those tiny bubbles on top? That's the enemy of a smooth finish. Take your rubbing alcohol or perfumer's alcohol and give it one quick spritz. The bubbles disappear instantly. That is how the pros get that glass-like top. Let it harden for about 1 to 2 hours. To use it, just wet your hands, lather, and rinse. It feels creamy, not chalky like hotel soap. This Lava Love soap is one of our star recipes in our February recipe box. The hardest part of DIY is buying a huge block of soap base or 5 different expensive oils when you just want to make one thing. That's where the Simply Earth recipe box saves the day. We curate a new theme every month. You get 4 full-size oils like the lava blend we used here, plus the recipe cards and the extras like the soap mold and the mica powder. If you're watching this right now, check the link to see if the February box is still available. If you're watching later, the link will take you to our current month's box, which is packed with brand new recipes to help you detox your home. And don't forget, subscribers get the big bonus box with carrier oils and bottles for free. I'd love to see how your soap turned out. Did you get a smooth top? Snap a photo and tag us with #IMadeThis. We love seeing your creations and sending prizes to our community. I've linked the specific ingredients and the recipe box below. Are you team bar soap or team liquid soap? Let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.